definitely a great round for all the ladies.
Once again, let's all give our ladies another round of applause. And we would like to thank NVO Couture for their gowns. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin sila ulit.
Palakpakan! Eto tiyak, malakas ang palakpakan nyo to serenade our 12 candidates.
Mamaya pa yan.
Mamaya pa?
Yes.
May awards muna tayo, okay?
Actually, we will be having the casual interview. Kakausapin natin sila isa-isa para naman makilala natin sila.
Maganda yan ha. Yan nga ang gusto kong mangyari. Yan.
Ay, okay. And for our casual interview, we will be asking our candidates, Bayani, to pick a number from my magic box.
Okay.
And then the number corresponds to a judge. So lahat po ng ating tanong ay manggagaling sa ating mga hurado ngayong gabi.
Okay, sige.
So simulan na natin with our first candidate, Mutia, number 1.
Number 1. Ba? Nakakatakot yung tugtog ah.
Good evening, Mutia, number 1. Rosemary, tama ba? Ayan.
Rosemary, ang
And,
magtatanong sa'yo ay Judge number 5.
and our judge number 5 is Bessie Besana.
Good evening, candidate number 1.
Good evening po.
Okay, here's my question. What keeps you motivated? Again, what keeps you motivated?
Thank you. What keeps me motivated are the person who believes in me, especially my family and my friends. They are my strength, my inspiration, the heart of my life. They are the soul of my life. And I can imagine my life without them who inspires me. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mutia, number 1.
Ganda yun ha. What keeps you motivated?
Yan. And now we call in our next Mutia, Mutia number 2. Our Mutia number 2 is Justin Joy or Mita. Please pick your judge.
Mutia number 2. What keeps you motivated? Kanina. Sorry.
Alright.
Ang magtatanong ay Judge number 3.
And our judge number 3 is Dr. Alexander Abraham.
Good evening, candidate number 2. Here's my question. What is your ultimate dream in life and why? I repeat, what is your ultimate dream in life and why?
What is your ultimate dream in life and why?
So my ultimate dream in life is to give back my family's effort and hard work for me to be able to educate myself. I want to graduate after 5 years so that I can give back my family effort. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
She wants to graduate after 5 years.
At ibalik sa mga gulang ang kanilang mga sakripisyo, di ba?
At pinaghirapan.
Alright. And now we call in our next Mutia. Mutia number 3, Roseanne Pilier. Beautiful in blue.
Kumusta ka na, Roseanne?
Okay lang po.
Nakahanda ka na ba sa katanungan ng ating judge? Salamat, Rose. Medyo kinakabahan sila kaya pinapatawa ko lang.
Yes.
Judge number?
1.
Judge number 1.
Judge number 1 is Dr. Marvin Munar.
Yes, hello. Good evening.
Good evening po.
Okay, here's your question. What do you pray for at night? What do you pray for at night?
What do I pray for at night is, of course, for my family's health, safety, and of course, for their genuine happiness, because I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that it is much better to have a happy life than a successful life, because success is not always about cars, money, and house and lots, because success can be defined in so many ways. And being happy is success in itself. So just be happy. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mutia
Thank you,
number
candidate number
3.
3.
And now,
Ang gaganda ng mga tanong ng ating mga judges, ha?
I know.
What do you pray for at night? Ako, I pray for at night that I would wake up tomorrow.
oh wow. Hindi, totoo, magandang prayer
Totoo yan.
naman talaga yun, di
Every
ba?
morning is a blessing.
That is so correct.
Candidate number
4.
4.
Now we call in the next candidate.
Candidate number
Number 4. And our Mutia number 4 is Wendell May
Handa ka na ba sa
Parado.
question?
Yes po.
Okay.
Please pick your judge.
Ang haba ng pilik mata mo, ha? Oh, buti pinakita mo. Number 1.
And our judge number 1 is Dr. Marvin Munar.
Yes, hello, good evening. So here is your question. What is the most important piece of advice you have received in preparation for this pageant? I repeat, what is the most important piece of advice you have received in preparation for this pageant?
The most important advice that I received before going this pageant is a wish of luck and the best for becoming Mutia Abel, and also the prayers from my family and friends that they cheer for me and they wishes me to be in the stage. That's all. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Gusto pala ng magulang niya makapunta siya ng US, no?
Bakit? Ano ba yun?
Diba, they wishes me to be in the States. Stage.
Stage. This
Sorry.
stage, Yani.
Bingi lang.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mutia number 4. Now we call in Mutia number 5.
Mutia number 5.
Shaina Shane Galano Patani. Si Shaina Shane.
Ang ganda ng eyebrow mo, Shine. Anong kulay yan? Anong kulay?
Yung my red.
Maroon na may red.
Yeah. Mahirap nga naman makita, Yani, kasi nasa
Totoo.
eyelid.
Sabi niyo, ano bang kulay? Magulat ka kung gumanon yung eyeball niyan. Ito yung question mo, magmumula sa ating judge number 3.
And our judge number 3 is Miss Aubrey May Salas.
Good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening.
My question for you is, do you believe in New Year's resolutions? I repeat, do you believe in New Year's resolutions?
Yes po. Naniniwala po ako sa New Year's resolution. Kasi ako po, may New Year's resolution. Ang gusto ko po ay, this year 2020, gusto ko po tumaba. Kaso, hindi po ako tumataba. Lamon ako ng lamon, pero di ako tumataba. Kaya, I pray to God na sana tumaba rin ako kahit konti, kahit bewang lang. Yun po, thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Mutia number 5. Nakakatuwa namang resolution
Oo.
yon.
Samantalang yung mga kababaihan, gusto nila maging mapayat.
Yeah.
Siya gusto niyang tumaba.
Ikaw, Yani, bigyan mo naman kami ng isang malupit mong New Year's resolution.
Ako, ang New Year's resolution ko, ngayong taon na to hanggang sa darating na panahon, puro gulay lang ang kakainin na namin.
Wow, bakit
Ang
naman?
ganda pala maging vegan. Isipin mo, nandito na tayo sa Bangar, malapit na tayo sa vegan. Hindi, magbibigan na kami, vegan diet.
Okay. Maganda yan.
Ay, ba't ako pumunod? Tawagin mo yan. Napupunod tuloy ako.
Na-carried away ka.
Akala ko candidate ako eh.
And we call in our next Mutia, Mutia number 6.
6.
Mutia number 6 is Catherine Sibayan.
Alam mo ba na ikaw ang kinakitaan ko ng beauty ng isang Pilipina? Lahat kayo parang nabibingi. Sa'yo ko nakita yung beauty ng isang Pilipina.
Salamat.
Thank you. Huwag kang kakabahan, ha? Na magtatanong. Ay, ako! Ikaw pala. Ikaw. Kasi ganun ka na ganun sa
Oo nga, sorry. Number 6. Mutia number 6.
Bigay mo lang sa akin. Hindi ako.
Feeling ko ikaw yung sa barangay na ang produkto ay refrigerator.
Yung nahulog kanina. judge number 4.
And our judge number 4 is Miss Maria Rivera.
Napakagandang babae niyan.
Hi, Miss Catherine.
Hello po.
Okay, how are you today? Tonight, sorry.
Okay lang po.
Okay, you can answer it English, Tagalog, or Ilocano, whatever are you comfortable with, okay? Your question is, how did you prepare for this pageant? I repeat, how did you prepare for this pageant?
Thank you po for that question. I prepare in joining this competition. It's very hard for me to prepare because I have many things to sacrifice, like eating our meals, my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. It's really hard for me to it's really hard for me to sacrifice those things because as a beauty queen, we all know that we should be physical fit to avoid judgmental people. To avoid judgmental people, because as we gain those judgments, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that those judgments will bring us to grow up, to show us who we really are and what we really are. And I would like to have a piece of an advice. Let us respect one another. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you. Sweetheart, bibigyan kita ng isa pang gusto ko naman, pwede bang ipaliwanag naman ito sa salitang Ilocano naman? Pwede ba?
Iti sakripisyo nga in paay ko dito nga panagsalik iti pageant kat daji haan ko nga pinagkaan iti everyday meal kat para kanyak data ti may nga dakal nga sakripisyo taamo tayo amin kat ti beauty pageant kat naskan nga agbalin tayo nga nasaya at nga pagpamarang dagiti tao nga dati negative nga pamagbaga dagiti panalikod nga sa uda so kailangan tayo nga iwasan data nga pamagbaga. Thank you.
Salamat, candidate number 6.
Thank you,
Thank
Mutia
you.
number 6. And now we call in our next Mutia number 7, Hannah Yvonne Fajardo. Munting paalala lang po sa ating audience na please give our candidates a chance to finish their statements.
Opo. Thank you po.
And now,
Si Ana, kanina ko pa nakikitang nakangiti siya. Positive na positive.
excited.
Ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayong moment na to?
A little bit nervous, but also I'm excited.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Okay, ang question mo ay magmumula sa ating judge number 1.
And our judge number 1 is Dr. Marvin Munar.
If you win tonight, what would be the number 1 advocacy you are going to push for Bangar?
Being the Mutia Abel Bangar is both an honor and responsibility. So if I were the Mutia Abel Bangar tonight, I will take this opportunity to promote my own advocacy. And as a future educator, my advocacy was all about helping the out of children and youth because nowadays, education is very important, especially that it is the only key and weapon we can use in attaining success. Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan. Salamat po sa mga tiga-Bangar, ha? Thank you po. Alam mo ang mga nanonood sa atin na hindi lang mula dito hanggang dun sa likod, ha? Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili, please. Palakpakan po.
Ayan, marami pong
Salamat
salamat sa pagdalo tonight.
Thank you. Hanggang dito sa gilid, dalawa.
Yes, punong-puno ang ating gymnasium. And now we call in Mutia.
Gagano na naman ako dyan.
Mutia number 8, Catherine Pearl San Jose.
Mutia, number 8.
Hello, Catherine.
Catherine? Ang layo ng pinanggalingan mo, Catherine. Eh. Kamusta naman?
Okay naman po. It's great and wonderful po.
Nakahanda ka na ba sa ating katanungan from the judges? One of the judges. Ang katanungan mo ay magmumula sa ating judge number 2.
And our judge number 2 is Miss Aubrey May Salas.
What do you look forward to this 2020? What do you look forward to this 2020?
For me, what I look forward for this 2020 is I do simpler, more good acts because 2000 taught me that a world where our world needs now a little spice of good deeds and everyone should be kind because in a world where kindness prospers is a world where reign peace. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mutia number 8. And now, Yani, we call in our...
What do you look for 2020?
Yes. Ano ba ang inaabangan mo? Or what do you look forward to?
Forward to.
Yeah,
Ikaw?
Ako, this year, same with you. I want to be healthier this year. Kasi totoong health is wealth talaga, Yani.
Totoo naman yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we call in Mutia number 9, Kim Julia De Vera.
Ito yung ating beautiful hair
Yes.
award.
Congratulations, dear.
Paano mo inalagaan ang iyong buhok? Kasi ako, kokonti na lang yung bangs ko eh. Parang nahanginan pa ng blower kanina. Paano mo inaalagaan ang iyong hair?
Suklay lang po everyday.
Lagi ka nagsusuklay.
Asa narinig mo yun? Hindi. Yani.
Good.
Oh, you please pick your
Pick
judge.
your son. Judge number 3.
Judge number 3, Dr. Alexander Abraham.
Good evening, candidate number 9.
Good evening po.
Here's your question. What is your greatest fear? I repeat, what is your greatest fear?
Ang pinakakinakatakutan ko po sa buhay ko ay ang mawalan ng pagkakaisa sa ating mundo. Kasi kapag walang pagkakaisa sa ating mundo, walang mangyayaring maganda. At kung walang mangyayaring maganda, paano naman ang mga susunod pang jenerasyon na gusto pang masilayan ang napakaganda nating mundo? Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din sa iyo, candidate number 9.
Thank you, candidate number
9.
9. Ako, ang greatest fear ko, ang pinakakinatatakutan ko ay ang asawa ko.
Ayan, na-busy pa rin sa likod, ma'am.
Busy sa likod. Alam mo ba yung asawa ko sa sobrang inip na sa likod, sinisipsip niya na yung hinlalaki niya sa paa.
Kanina kinukutkot niya lang.
Ngayon, sinisipsip. Tinatamsak.
O sige, bilisan na natin ito. Tawagin natin ang next candidate, Mutia number 10. Femush Liza
Ayun.
Maines.
Nako, maraming naging special awards.
Yes. Tanungin ko lang si Mutia number 10, tama ba ang pag-pronounce ko ng pangalan mo all this time? Paano ba? Femush?
Femush Liza Maines po.
Maines, tama.
Pwede po bang makahingi lang ng tissue, please? Kasi parang nag-basketball ka naman.
Ayan. Kasi po
Thank you,
dito sa
ma'am.
harapan, hindi lang po siguro alam ng ating ibang
Thank you po,
audience.
ma'am.
Napakalakas ng ilaw, mainit din. So, yeah, marami po talagang pinagdadaanan ng ating mga candidates on stage na hindi natin alam. Bayani, parang nakita ko na si Madam Len.
Oo, kaya nga binulsa ko yung tissue eh. Okay? Pabili ka na ng...
Yes, please pick your judge.
Ang question po ay magmumula sa ating judge number 4.
Judge number 4 is the beautiful Miss Maria Rivera.
Good evening, Famush.
Good evening
Right?
po.
Okay. Your question is, what is your inspiration in joining this pageant? I repeat, what is your inspiration in joining this pageant?
My inspiration in joining this pageant is, of course, the people who loved me, especially my family, my friends, and my supporters around there. But most especially, I am inspired to join this kind of competition because of my advocacy. My advocacy is about mental health awareness. I would like to address all the people who are undergoing with mental health. And I would like, as a proponent of mental health awareness in our school, I learned the value of listening and speaking for them. And through this kind of competition, I can be the voice for them, and through this, and with this micro things that we can do for our society, we can have a macro impact for our society. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mutia number 10.
Alam mo, tinitingnan ko si Miss Aubrey May Salas at si Maria Rivera. Ang gaganda niyo.
Ayan.
Talagang kung nandito kayo, sa mahihirapan mga judges. Okay? Kukuha na naman ba ako?
Nope. Now we call in our next Mutia. Mutia number 11, Melanie Kahuday. Ayan. Our second to the last candidate for tonight. Hello? Wow.
May nagsabi na ba sa iyong napaka-pleasant ng beauty mo?
Yes.
Meron na po.
I love your hair.
Sino yun? Sino? Oh, I love your hair. I love your personality. Sino nagsabi sa iyo nun?
Parents ko po.
Ako rin parents ko rin.
Parang pabunot ka na naman kasi,
Oo nga.
partner.
Si Boy Bunot ako eh. Judge number 2.
Judge number 2 is Miss Aubrey May Salas.
Good evening, candidate number 11. My question for you is, what is more important, to love or to be loved? What is more important, to love or to be loved?
Maraming salamat po. Para sa akin, ang mas importante ay yung mahalin yung mahal ko. Kasi kaya kong maghintay kahit na ano pa yan, dahil alam kong mahal ko siya. Kaysa naman yung tao na mahal ako pero hindi naman ako masaya sa kanya. Alam ko, gagawin ko, mag-i-stay ako sa tabi niya hanggat matutunan niya akong mahalin kasi alam ko na darating yung tamang panahon na mamahalin niya din ako. Ang pagpili ko na yon, papatunayan ko na tama dahil alam kong masaya ako dahil mahal ko siya. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much. Ang ganda nun ha. Ikaw,
Yeah.
anong gusto mo? Magmahal o mahalin?
Paano ba? Dati gusto ko yung magmahal talaga. Pero ngayon, parang masarap pag ikaw yung minamahal. Mas minamahal.
Totoo naman yan. Pero alam mo, ako ang gusto ko, magmahal. Kasi ang love, hindi ka maghihintay na mahalin ka rin.
Yeah.
Huwag po tayong magsasawang magmahal. Mahalin man tayo o hindi, patuloy tayong magmahal.
Yan, napakaganda. That is
Napakaganda
true
magmahal.
naman.
Sarap yan.
Napakaswerte naman ni Madam Lenlen sa'yo, Bayani.
Oo, mahal na mahal ko yung asawa ko. Oo.
Oh, naniniwala
Paano
naman
namang di ka
kami.
naniniwala?
Alright, tawagin na natin ang ating next Mutia. And our last, but definitely not the least, Mutia number 12, Genoa Pataksil Sabado.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Tama, good evening pa ba, partner?
Mag-good morning na ba? Naku, magbe-birthday na ako. Uy, kantahan niyo naman ako ng happy birthday. Birthday ko po January 3.
Oh!
Salamat. Happy birthday sa akin, ha?
Happy birthday po, sir.
Sige,
Ayan.
pili ka na ng judge na magtatanong sa'yo. Ang magtatanong sa'yo ay Judge number 5.
And our fifth judge is Mr. Bessie Besana.
Good evening, Genoa.
Good evening po, sir.
My question to you is, how do you see yourself 5 years from now? Again, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Thank you po. I see myself 5 years from now standing in front of my parents, proudly saying, Ma, tapos na po akong nag-aral, kinaya ko po. I would say that because 5 years from now, I will graduate already, and I have already done my best educating myself and doing my job greatly with determination and strength that God have given me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 12.
Yan. And that wraps up our casual interview, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's all give our beautiful ladies another round of applause.
Thank you, ladies.
Ayan. In a short